Do you want to send video through email but you don't know how? In this video, I will show you step by step how to attach and send video using Gmail. So welcome to Ubalde Official. I create educational videos about art schools, scholarships, and online opportunities.
Ubalde Official, source of technology and education. Subscribe and stay connected.
Now open your browser, for example, like Chrome, and then after then go on your Gmail account. These are my Gmail account. After going to Gmail account, wait, it depends on your internet connection. And now we are going to send an email but video as an attachment on Gmail. So where you click, you come here where this here compose means to create a new mailing. Then click here. After click here, you will get new prompt. This is a new message to where your message is going to go. For example, this is an email address where email is going to go, ubalde@gmail.com. Then after click subject, for example, video editing testing. This is the title of your email, and then here you should say some more things. Hello, Ubalde Official. I'm going to send a video on email as attachment. Yes, okay. After here, you see on your computer, come here and then scroll down and choose this icon in front of send. You choose here attach file. Click on attach file. After click on attach file, you will get prompt to upload your video, and then click here. But here is the attention. If your video, okay, you click on then wait to upload. Here you see yes, you see here the percentage, or it is loading, then or progress. You weigh the attention here. It is Gmail limit size to send a video. It is a 25 MB or megabyte as size of storage your video. If your video is bigger than 25 MB or megabyte, Gmail will automatically upload it to Google Drive, and then it will send it as a link. Yes, and then wait until. So if the video it is larger than 25 MB, video it uploads automatically on the Google Drive, and then a link is added to your email, and then the receiver will click on the link to watch or download your video, because on your Gmail we keep the we get 16 GB when you create a Gmail account or Google account. Then after your video have been uploaded, yes, you see we typed somewhere an email or message, then our video have been uploaded. This is the name of your video. It look like a link. Then we click on send. Yes, send. After click on send, here you get a message said you get message that says message sent. You click here at view message, and then you click here, you see your sent message. Yes, this is a sent message. or when you come here, see the inbox, start, snows, sent, draft, purchases. You click on send message, and then this video have been sent. So this is how to send a video as attachment. So bye bye, God bless you. If you like this video, please subscribe, and we'll meet in the next video. So that is how you send videos to an email step by step, whether small or large. Subscribe to Ubalde Official for more simple IT tutorials, scholarships, and online opportunities.